Alright, boys, today we're going to be doing currency orders, so let's hop into it. Oh yes, I like Astral Express train. I like trains. Meme. Ah, I forgot. I should probably turn up the difficulty if I want to use anything but like the main good ones. For luck. Like, I only have two. So there's two fitting ones already. Go turn that on. Here we go. I'm, uh, I'm very excited to play like the Pokemon Kingdom update later today because like the update just came out today and I'm really looking forward to it. It's one of my favorite games and now they added one of my favorite cookies that I've seen. Timekeeper. Oh my god, I'm so excited to get her. Up, more experience. This actually seems like it could actually be useful over easy mode. Stat protector. Get two one cost cards, get two sword cost cards. Team so 2 6 9 coins in total. That's kind of good. That's actually good, especially if I get the units I need. Didn't really get anything I need. I am making stonks right now. Helpful. But I need sparkle. Huh. The sparkle's really the thing that just helps make him better. Probably is wondering why Dunkirk PT is not Trailways, but I guess it's because he's technically Enforian. I forgot I had auto on. That happened so fast. Break, so break, shield, so break. Do the Iggy up and break. I love the character visuals of this game. Way more than like of a lot of others. I'll make that for now. Lock. This is just how my current team is right now. Can't really change much of that. Yep, trade to that much damage because it essentially scales off difficulty. surprised you didn't die though. Usually that doesn't happen. It's unusual to see one just be able to slip gaps. I know it can be seen in ways, but like, what else could I do, man? A break, break, and big damage. Up, Himko, Dahlia, then Rappa, please just. Yeah, that wasn't. Ain't gonna be enough damage for this high of difficulty. Oh damn, I just got some important stuff. I'm gonna grab life right now, cause that's good. That's good. And even more break stuff, it just seems like it's becoming break. Which is good attention, what's my last one? And it didn't go so far. Well, hopefully it goes better this time. Man. I just realized my only fun range attacker is Rappa. Which is also a problem. This backfire use has put in the work. Really.
All will be swept away by the wind.
Also, I kind of wish March still did her counter attack. Do that. Too bad. I'm overcapped on. I'm capped on energy. If I wasn't down, would have done so much. Thankfully, I have that effect, which helps out a lot.
All will be swept away by the wind.
Let's boost. Let's be taking more damage. We go. Then, yep. Break. Ends up killing the other Silverman guard, big Silverman guard guy. Up. So, plus another break. Another one. One. Up summons. Eco. That. Break. Have my ult up again. Yep. Lapo was able to fish it off down there. Nice. I just need enough gears to start feeding. Gotta keep a Blake. Blake is always a solid start if you want to do anything. And you can build up your actual team, copy or use it back. Yeah. Blake just does good damage by itself. With no additional support really.
Eternal.
More energy, thank you very much. Blake. Nope. That. Yeah, never mind. That's annoying.
All will be swept away by the wind.
Stop repeating yourself, Lappa. You sound insane. There we go. Where's Lappa? Break, break, big break. That. You boost her up. That's fine. You aren't able to do anything. You break. Survive. 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 Break, break, break. That triggers. Really need to level up March 7th if I want her to sustain. Yeah, we really just need to sustain now. Thankfully, she's been shielded by March 7th constantly. Break.
All will be
Then,
swept away by the wind.
you go to get some more water. There we go. Perfect. I just got her ult back as well. So this actually worked out perfectly. To go do optimal damage. That it almost I almost made the end there. Oh yeah, so I had more years of the top field. Lock battle. Shut after this reward domain. Oh come on. There we go. That took a bit. Up. Yup, free money and free votes. 69. Nice. Oh, definitely like for iron, because I do need that emergency shielding. If I do that, that'll have but if I do that, that is more sustain. I feel like more sustain will be useful for right now. Go do that. Train the 7%, 1.1 million. Like 7, you shielded eventually. Why? Okay, Timothy does have less HP.
All will be swept away by the wind.
Compared to Lapa. So yeah, I guess that's fair. Oh. Why does... Hold on. 16% speed. Okay. Wow, that's big. Up Silver just did firewall and ult. That did, yep, that already does a lot of damage.
Sure, I'll play along. Ah.
Do that.
The dice have been cast. Bust.
Hit him with that.
Maybe I'll take it all.
Better focus on the main guy than small ones. See if it go and get breaking. So the dahlia do more damage. It's nice how they start with this always something broken. Yeah, but break by already taking some damage.
You won't get away. All will be swept away by the wind. Can't wait anymore.
Huh. I'm not gonna let Auto decide it. I should just make my own decisions here, especially if it's to a boss enemy. Yeah, this ain't gonna work out. I don't think Hugo or Glove guy will appear to handle it.
Can't wait anymore.
Would be able to do that much, I don't
The
think.
dice have been cast. Bust. Or maybe I'll take it all. Watch your head.
Attack. And yep. Scan. Shield. Break.
All will be
Super
swept
break.
away by the wind.
Hedge your bets.
Yup, even more damage because below the minimum requirement. But I want shielding for now. I'm gonna swap you out for though it's better to have one break. Actually, yeah, I can have both. Now you get your chainsaw. Need get one more unit and then
You won't get away.
Trailblaze is up and running.
You won't get away. You won't get away.
Yep,
Etched in your
good
bones.
job, Ego.
Eternal. Let us
What was that?
dance once more.
Joker's expressed impact cap style of combat,
You want to betray me?
20%.
All will be
Oh,
swept
just
away by the wind.
that's just damage amplification.
Can't wait anymore. Mask shatter.
Level effect, nice.
Myriad colors burst.
Up. Didn't mean to do that. That was gotta restart that because Zhang Hong needs to be using skill points. That's just basically.
You won't get away. You won't get away. You won't get away.
To make that will hit a Rapper though.
Existence is unity.
Huh. They would think I flew.
Once more.
But like I do want a blade character to be up there.
You want to betray me? All will be swept away by the
Up
wind.
there we go.
Can't wait anymore.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Mask shatter. Rotate painting.
The strength.
Don't really know what to do this, so auto. Yep, 3, that makes sense. Just a basic amount. 2 damage, break.
You want to betray me?
More, even more breakage. More.
Awaken dormant scales.
on, do the thing, you broke it, use more brakes,
Can't wait anymore.
brake, there, apply
All
the
will be
thing that
swept
makes
away
it
by
so,
the wind.
and we shall brake when we try and get back up, there we go, there we go,
You won't get away. Let us dance once more. Here! Mask shatter!
yeah, I felt like that was going to happen, so, yeah, didn't waste also, now it's an extra skill point
Such
to
a storm.
use,
Heavens, break.
so now it's 4,
You want to betray me?
or struck heal, that's always annoying, there we go. I mean, also, if we get back up, that's even better.
You won't
Trying
get away.
to break them even
You won't
more.
get away. Useless.
If that wasn't enough, though, it's going over. Yeah, I'm just choosing get off free. You gave him 2 bucks. What the? Alright. I so need both of those. Actually, I can skip that. Get that. You. Lock. Skip. Oh, I just realized that's how you go get money. Ah. You. Oh, first getter. Locked. Have Sunday up here instead of few for right now, because I feel like it's better to have Sunday
You won't
to
get
provide
away.
some extra help. And yep, the train's here as well now.
Resistance is unity.
Pretty sure it's all the backlog kids have way higher speed than for fun fighting.
All
That's why
will be
they're
swept away
moving
by the
so
wind.
fast. And how they have so many more action compared to the rest.
It's of no
Also give it
consequence.
to Dahlia, because just speed amplification will help.
You want to betray me?
Stay close. Not a step back.
Facing death yet finding life. Serenity in
Sunday, there we go.
In this mortal
Use your
form,
ult
I
on
watch over
her.
you and guide you on your path.
Rotating
That
and retreating.
she
You
gets
won't get
her
away.
off her. She gets her
Can't
ult off early.
technique, dazzling obliteration.
Break, break, break.
You won't get away.
The times are changed.
Do the big.
World cleansing dragon.
Yep. Then here comes the train.
Can't
There we go. That's. I won 60. I mean, they do even more damage. 142. That's really nice. Here comes it again. I already have max stats. Just
All
nice.
will be swept away by the wind.
Perfect, you have a bit more speed than Sunday, so Sunday can bring you up.
Torment and doubt, farewell.
Do that. Your dragon move.
Can't wait anymore.
Train.
Stay close. Here stands the
Be careful, the train's entering the station. I love that. I love Astral this bit just because the train's funny. Especially on bosses which aren't even usually train. Especially on the bosses which aren't even familiar with train. It's just fun to see. Also, how long is Astral Express? Like, actually, how long is it? Does anyone ever... Also, I don't get half of what it is because it got blown up. So, what is its true size? Like, actually. So cute there. It's Sunday. Keep you. Oh! I can get a 3-star Emigo! Nice! Score! Yeah, I'm just gonna put on you for now. Hopefully I survive this. Now, I should have spent my money if I wanted to survive this 100%. That should be fine. At least I think.
Get away.
Hopefully.
Get away. You won't get away.
Let's go, even go.
My dance. Eternal.
Nope, nope, did not. Never mind, not denied.
Let us dance once more.
Big break. Just the train does too much damage to let go of it. And he just pierced my shield. Why did you just pierce the shield?
Get away. You won't get away. You won't get away. You won't get away. All will be swept away by the wind.
Hold on, what is that? Oh, okay.
Once more.
What does that do? Oh, oh. Okay. Train.
In the name of preservation.
Inevitable. In this mortal form. I will watch over you and guide you on your path.
There we go.
The Gypsy secret technique, dazzling obliteration.
Move up a bit. Due to the speed boost you gain from it.
You won't get away. You won't get away.
Up, there we go. And, yep. Come on. Go for cover, that should, yeah, definitely should have kept the numbers of staying up. good
away.
if things are going.
Let
Of
us
how,
dance
because if
once
things
more.
are going, yeah, I guess I'm gonna die.
Starting point.
Eventually,
Torment and doubt
but
farewell.
not right now. I did not mean to do that.
Awaken, Druid. World cleansing dragon.
Oh, thankfully I was counting thing, not the no.
You
If a
won't
train
get
just
away.
blinks him, nice.
You won't get away. Can't wait anymore. You want to betray me?
Yeah, but, yeah, this is really bad right now. Wasn't there the wall that actually was to fix this? But I'm
All
still
will be swept
uh,
away by the wind.
that was like a zero chance.
Can't wait anymore.
Up there,
You
no
won't get away.
more breakage.
You won't get away.
More,
You won't
come
get away.
on.
Let us
That
dance
guy was
once
sent flying, considering how high his damage levels were.
more. You want to betray
Like
me?
no, like how those damage numbers were positioned. Well, I could.
Seek and you shall receive. Serenity is before me. In this mortal form, I will watch over you and guide you on your path.
Just gonna do that.
Secret technique, dazzling obliteration.
The heavens search. The heavens search. Break.
That.
Can't wait anymore.
Stay focused.
Yeah, even if I use Hung skill somewhere else first,
You want to betray me?
but it wasn't going to do that much.
You won't get away. You won't get away.
Yeah, this
Let us
this
dance
ain't
once
going
more.
to happen.
Can't wait anymore.
Well,
You want to betray me?
that was a good try though.
This ends here.
Can't wait anymore.
At least I made it a second node. Well, that's all folks. So catch you next time.